Familiarize yourself with a 2011 Ford Mustang. This two-door, four-passenger convertible leads among competitors in its segment. Ford made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a power convertible top, variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, and power windows. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as front and side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Call now to schedule a test drive.